Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by preparing and getting into the firmware. Do this now. Reboot and press the correct key during post. Manufacturers use F2, F10, ESC, or delete. Make sure you know the administrator password and have a USB keyboard attached if needed. Once in BIOS, take photos or note current values and export profiles if available. This prevents lockout. You're doing this because changing Secure Boot can stop some bootloaders, so be ready to restore settings if necessary. Next, navigate the menus to the Secure Boot control. Look under Boot, Security, or Authentication. Once found, switch Secure Boot from Enabled to Disabled or change mode from Standard to Other or Legacy. This allows unsigned bootloaders. If the firmware uses keys, you may need to clear platform keys or reset pk/kek/db. Do that deliberately because clearing keys makes the system accept unsigned OS images. Make sure to document any key changes so you can re-enable Secure Boot later if required. Finally, save your changes and exit. Use Save and Exit or the designated key, then let the system reboot. You should boot into your OS. If drivers or the bootloader fail, boot into recovery or use installation media to repair the bootloader. Once stable, you can leave Secure Boot off or re-enable it after enrolling necessary keys. If things go wrong, return to BIOS and choose Restore Defaults or re-import saved settings. This often recovers a non-booting system and fixes misconfigured keys.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.